How you guys doing? Hope you are doing fine. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. And to my new subscribers, if you are new here, you are seeing this page for the first time, you are welcome. I am Adeshola, a Nigerian YouTuber living in Germany. Yeah, please don't let it be your last by subscribing. Like this video, share this video with your family and friends, okay? Thank you. Actually, I've unboxed this, my new baby, because I was so anxious. I want to quickly see what is inside, how it looks like and everything. If not, I would have loved to unbox it with you guys, but I've unboxed it already. So I can as well still call it unbox with me. Yeah, because I just finished unboxing and I said, okay, let me quickly record it there. Yeah, so I got a new camera, so I decided to show you guys. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Unbox with me. Let me just pretend that I want to unbox with me. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. This is the camera. As you can see, I just want to remove the light and yeah, you can do it this way, like this, or like this, and yeah, this is the camera. These are all the manuals. This is the purse. Yeah, I still have to learn a lot about it. Still have to learn a lot. So many accessories, you know. This is microphone. I still have to learn a lot about it. This is the charger. Then this, probably you want to put it beside the camera. Then the stand. This is how they packed everything inside nylon. But unfortunately, I've opened it before I decided to show you guys. Yeah. This is manuals. This is the carton. Yeah. So nice. This video is just short, so that's it, guys. I hope I'm not showing my address. Okay, I'm not showing my address. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon, sooner than you think. Okay, yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one. Until then, peace. Kisses. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah.